5, 4, 3, 2. Tripping.
Every time I close the door, the baby crying on the floor. Yeah, and you know that to me it's Jollibee. I no matter what, I am the 5%.